Good morning, mis pollas. Welcome to Vlogmas number 15. If you want to know how today goes, then keep on watching. Ignore my hot mess here. I just finished cooking for my Levi and for Alvaro. I'm watching the homenaje that they're doing that they did last night for Vicente Fernandez. Guys, it just breaks my heart. Like, it just gets me so emotional. Although I obviously didn't know him personally, I feel like his passing nos duele a todos, you know, because I don't know, we all lived through his music, so I don't know. It just gets me really emotional. Anyways, my Levi's having breakfast. Su huevito con frijoles again. He loves that combination. Look at him. Look at him. Last night, guys, I showered inside the house and it felt so good. Today, for sure, I'm going to give Levi a bath. Last night, I didn't give him a bath because we were going to go, we ended up going to go see my mother-in-law because she requested to see Levi. So, we went over there. We spent time with her for a little bit. No, actually, it was like a few hours. We were just talking about Chente's passing and we just, you know, we were there just with her. Guys, today the weather is crazy. Like, the winds are insane, guys. Ni se puede ver tanto, pero honestly, last night was crazy. I feel like Alvaro didn't even, ni siquiera dormió donde, he was al pendiente de sus gallos. The thing about it is we do live in a rancho, so we're more in the open, we're more in the mountain area, and the rain, the winds are way like crazier over here. We like already knew that this was coming because last year when we first moved out over here, we got a little taste. We got a big taste, guys, where we were like, okay, next year we have to prepare ourselves with a lot of gear where we have to have our water boots, rainproof jackets. I mean, bulletproof all of the chicken cages, get Dixie Girl warm. I mean, so many things, guys. Like, we prepared ourselves really great this year. The only thing is, like, I know that you guys are wondering, like, why haven't they moved inside the house if everything's set up? Okay, so what's holding us back is if it's gonna be hot or cold in there. Obviously, we won't know until we go in there. I already told Alvaro, I'm like, hey, we need to start moving in there, transitioning in there, so we can see what is it that we need to go out and buy, or if, like, we need to, like, or we already have it, like, bring it out, you know. So we pretty much, like, will do it sooner than later. Right now, you know, like, things happen so fast, like my mother-in-law getting sick, and just, I don't know, it's just been weird these couple of days. So definitely we have to start moving in there and stop contemplating it, because we are pushing it back so much. And I just feel like what's stopping Alvaro is, like, not just Alvaro, but, like, I feel like también we're so attached to this trailer. I feel like Alvaro, he doesn't want to let it go. Like, he just wants to hold on for it, like, a little more. And on top of that, well, obviously the staying warm and all of that too, you know. So anyways, I'm gonna clean this mess. I'm gonna vacuum, because I'm gonna vacuum. I'm also gonna, like, darle una barrida, una trapeada. We're trying to figure out why isn't that water's coming out, because for some reason every single time that is windy, either nos corta la luz or la agua. So we're just trying to figure out what's going on and stuff, if it's just all around or just here with us. Alright, mis pollas, I spoke a little too soon. Alvaro's cages are everywhere. I was helping him out for a little bit right now, just moving them, and oh my god, it's so bad out here. Like, the wind is insane, guys. Like, it's flying, it's making things fly everywhere. and through the whole area of our little town, there's no electricity. And then conveniently, one of the parts on our RV messed up, and we have no water. So I tried to go inside the house. No matter if like Levi starts crying right now or not, I'm gonna take him inside the house because I have no water. We don't know what time the electricity is gonna come back in, but it's making everything just crazy, man. Crazy, I tell you. Like, everything's flying away everywhere. Look at how bad the air is, guys. The wind. The trailer's moving insanely too. It's bad. This wind is just so bad. We had to move that cage right there. Right there, guys. We had to move it because thing about it is it just like flew away, and it was like installed over here on this part, and it flew all the way over here, and it messed up a lot of the cages de Alvaro. Yeah, guys, it's pretty bad. Making Levi a fresh batch of his favorite sopita, which is the one with the, well, he likes any kind of sopita, whether it's the conchita one or fideo, whatever he loves sopa. So I'm making him a fresh batch. Electricity's back on, thank God. I just don't have any water here in the trailer. Alvaro has to go get the part so we can fix that. And yeah, today is a crazy day, but we're trying to make the best out of it. There's Levi being a travieso. Alright guys, so we ate dinner, Alvaro and I and Levi. We ate obviously la sopita. I made them quesadillitas, and then I did make a salsa molcajete. So that's what we ate for dinner. We just have been, well, especially Alvaro has been in and out of the traila, checking on his gallos and stuff, because guys, the weather today is just not it.
She was watching The Voice.
She gets shy.
What'd you do to the camera? Look how there's 2 lines on the TV.
What? Oh, on the TV. Anyways, guys. Alright, guys. So, Alvaro has been having...
I wanted to stop. Yeah.
Now I wear sunglasses.
Tell him what's going on.
Ask your doctor if Tepezza is right for you, and visit mytepezza.com
51 hour
to
wear.
see
That's the
before
one.
and after photos.
And how's your chickens?
Not right. They're everywhere.
We just been here, guys. Pretty much.
Did you record the thing?
What?
The chickens?
No, I didn't record them. Well, I recorded like through the window.
Number 5.
When they flew?
No, I didn't record when they flew. I recorded like when you were like trying to like set up the cages and everything.
Believe in giving back.
Just send me that. Just send me that, and I'll include it in the vlog.
150 million meals to feed.
But yeah, guys, that was like
And now,
everything that got
we're
destroyed.
helping even more. By the end of this year,
Alvaro's gonna have to go buy new cages for his chickens.
$5 million to charity.
And the reason why it hurts him so much is because through the whole summer he's been working
Building.
building and trying to get these chickens to be okay, you know. So
Grow my own and breed them and come out with my own line and sell them.
Yeah.
I did it for Levi more lately.
Yeah, guys, and I think that's why it like hurts him a lot, because yes, I've seen him how he's worked so hard through the whole summer, and then we get this 50-mile-hour winds. Can you put it down a little bit? We get these 50-mile winds, and then it just kind of messes everything up. It's like my plants. I know that
It's like that chicken I raised myself. That was an incubated egg.
Anyways, so for example, what I worked really hard on this summer was what, babe?
Plants, and look at them now.
Yes, me and my mother-in-law worked really hard in my garden and in my plants, and my 2 wicker shelves that I had right next to the door of my house,
Done.
like my plants are done. Like they fell, and all my pots are broken. Hopefully we can, I do have extra soil that I can just use to replant them, but my god, it just, I didn't even pick them up. It's not that I gave up on them, but I was just like, this wind is still gonna be doing this, so I'm not even gonna pick up until like it gets better. Hopefully it's not windy tomorrow. It just started,
it's supposed to come down at 12,
but it just started raining like, or what time did it start raining? Because when we were setting up the cages, it was super windy, but it wasn't raining like horrible like right now. And it's like, it's just scary. I know, I was telling Alvaro that, I mean, other people have it worse. Like for example, Kentucky right now, like their houses are destroyed, and I'm just grateful that, you know, we still have a roof over our heads. But it does damage a lot from our property, for sure. Especially things that we worked really hard this summer for. So hopefully this wind just, you know, would you rather take rain than wind?
None.
One then another has to like happen, babe. I think that we did have one night last month, right, that it just rained the whole night, guys. Like it was like, I think it was last month or the month before. It was just really, really bad that everything flooded, like especially in the area of Stockton. Yeah, it was just crazy. Excuse me, sir, this doesn't go in my mouth. This is for the camera. Beso, dame un beso. Good job, good job. Hazles un chambo. Mira, 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 look. Hazles un chambo, mira, chambo. Look. Hazles un chambito. Mira. Hazles un chambo. Guys, I didn't even give Levi bath time because it's just super cold, to be honest, and I'd rather just give him a bath tomorrow, because even we don't have warm water in here, so
Hey, what are you doing?
I don't even know where the bucket where we get the warm water from the inside the house to bring in here is at. Do you know where it's at?
No.
It like flew away. But I am gonna give him a bath tomorrow. Tomorrow I have a really busy day. Excuse me, sir. I have a really busy day, guys. I'm gonna be going out with my mother-in-law. I'm gonna take her to a doctor's appointment, and then I'm gonna go to an appointment for my Levi. Alvaro definitely has to go to work tomorrow. And hopefully these winds are over by the time.
I'm going to work. I'm fixing my stuff.
Oh, tomorrow? Oh, I thought you were going to work, babe. Anyways, guys, I'm going to let you guys go. I'm going to call it a night. We really don't got anything going on. I'm going to call it a night. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below which part of this vlog was your favorite. And I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Mwah. Say bye, babe.
Laters.
Say bye, Levi. Say bye. Give me a kiss. Kiss. Okay. He doesn't want to say bye. He never wants to say bye.